Hey everyone, welcome to this video. And in today's video, the fix I'm going to be doing is preparing this floor in this shed for a concrete pad. And before we get too far with establishing our home here and me working in here and creating it into a shop, I want to get a concrete floor poured in here. So to do that, I'm going to be digging out some dirt to lower the level in here. So then we could maybe put some gravel underneath and also, have a pretty thick slab and not get too high, taking up too much space in here. So that is the fix I'm going to be doing to the shed for this next thing. I mostly cleared out everything to have open floor space. So let's go ahead and get to it, and we'll see the process of getting a cement pad in this place. Alright, so now I have all the foam boards in, and this is the last seam that I have to tape up here. And then also there is the pegs for the next step that I will be laying out. It's just going to be a one zone system, and got 300 foot of pipe here to do it, so hopefully we'll get this done this week. Got the door ready there, got the pegs all ready, and we have that coming into the corner here. The inlet is on the right, and cold water is on the left, and that's coming around through here in these. And by the time I got to this loop, I was tired of doing these in loops, so I went down to the middle and came around this way, and then came over to this one, and then I wasn't sure about the room and going down here and coming back around, so I came back, looped around, came over here while I still had plenty left over, so I went over behind it and then did that one extra thing, and that pretty much perfectly ended up with almost using the whole 300 foot. I mean, probably about as close as I would have got it. So that'll mainly keep, this will be the first initial warm spot, and then the second warm spot, and then the third. So this shouldn't be too bad, should keep pretty even.
Look how nice that's floating out.
Mm-hmm. Well, it's the next day and concrete looks pretty good because of the situation of this. With the brush and only being able to access it from this side, you know, you got like the brush over there making, wasn't able to really get over there very easily on both sides. But yeah, I mean, it looks pretty good, and this is the first time walking on it. This is gonna be really nice. Definitely thrilled about having this now. And I asked to have the brushed texture on it, because if, you know, if it's been raining out and I'm walking from out here, or if I add in a door eventually over here, but if I walk in with wet shoes on, I want the texture just so I don't slip, because I've done that very easily on smooth concrete. But I'm thrilled about this.